What's up YouTube? Got a really special shoe here for you. Gonna do an unboxing on this Nike Air Jordan 1 High 85 neutral gray colorway. This is the box right here. It's not the usual black and red. It's like a orangish color and black. Usual Jordan 1 Highs come in a black box with some red Nike logos. But this is the High 85, so you get a nice little orange box. Now there's a lot of packaging in here. Got some Wings logo paper. Each shoe is individually wrapped in paper. Here they are. The Nike Air Jordan 1 High 85s. Neutral gray colorway. It's pretty neutral in gray, if you ask me. If you're looking for a pair, there's an affiliate marketing link in the description to buy yourself a pair on StockX. You'll probably find a reasonable deal if you live in America. Outside of that, you'll probably pay a little bit more, but it'll still be available. Comes with some fire neutral gray laces on the side here. And you also get this little Air Jordan card. Let me see what's inside. It's got some instructions on the shoes. So here you can see the inside of this little pamphlet. So there's a lot of interesting stuff on it. I thought that was a pretty cool addition. You don't see that on other pairs of Jordan 1 Highs. Now this is just going to be an unboxing. I don't think I'm going to throw these on foot because it's too much effort to lace them up. Here we got the second of the pair. This way you get to see a little bit more detail on the shoe. Because I do shoot in 4K, so that's always nice. Almost dropped it. Just brought the lighting down a little bit so that you could see the actual gray on the Nike swoosh logo and the different trims around the sneaker. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the sneakers. Here you can see a little bit of information. Jordan brand rubber, Air Jordan. Code. Bunch of interesting stuff right there. These are actually limited to 23,000 pairs. So I'm not sure if they're numbered or what the situation is with these, but it's a nice little sticker. You got a little sizing information right there. It's a little bit too much to lace these up for an on-foot review, so for that I apologize. I'm sorry. I will not be wearing these or keeping these. Most probably. Here they are. This is the Air Jordan 1 High 85 neutral gray colorway. There's another varsity red colorway, which is the black and red. Both sneakers, both of these releases of the high 85, both of them are limited to 23,000. Both of the recent high 85 releases, that is, the nice ones. You got that same sticker inside this shoe, in case you want to see. And some more sizing information on this on the side here. That's the Air Jordan Wings logo. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye. Before I go, I'm gonna get a nice little thumbnail actually. Just hold up the shoe maybe. Just like this. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.